Today we're going to be making an easy churro recipe. The ingredients will be in the description box in English and Spanish. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Valerie. I would love for you to subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to learn how to make churros, then keep on watching. We're going to start by putting a pot with 1 cup of water, and we're going to put 6 tablespoons of butter. We're going to let the butter melt, and then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to be mixing with the spatula until everything is melted. We're going to let it boil, and then once it's boiling, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Since it's boiling, we're going to turn off the heat, and we're going to put our 1 cup of flour. We're going to mix, and our consistency has to be a little bit mushy. We also incorporate the 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to mix everything until everything has been blended. We're going to let it rest for 10 minutes. This is very important. Now we're going to incorporate our egg, and it's only 1 by 1, which is 2 eggs that we're going to need to put in here. Once everything has been blended in, we're going to put this dough into a piping bag. What I like to do is I like to put the piping bag in a cup so it makes it easier for me, and it already has the star tip on the bottom, and I already cut it. Once I have put everything in the piping bag, I'm gonna close it with a rubber band to make it easier. By now we need to have our oil ready, and we're gonna start doing our churros, and then we're gonna cut with scissors. We will let this fry for 4 to 5 minutes and only do 3 to 4 at a time. Once it's fried on one side, we're gonna flip them. Once they're done, we're gonna put them in a plate, and then we're gonna start the coating with our cinnamon sugar. With the help of a spoon, we can go ahead and start coating our churro, or you can do it with your hand. And then this is our result. This is how our churros should look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time.